In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Microsoft Forms. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct surveys, or simply collect information from a group, Microsoft Forms provides a versatile platform that's accessible and easy to use. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to share your form with others. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. Once you've located the site, go ahead and click on it to get started. Upon reaching the Microsoft Forms homepage, you will need to sign in. If you haven't already, use your Microsoft account credentials. This could be your school, work, or personal account, depending on what you initially set up or the context in which you're working. After successfully signing in, it's time to select or create the form you plan to share. For this tutorial, I'm assuming that you already have a form drafted and ready for distribution. Open that specific form from your list of saved forms. If it's a new form you're working on, make sure it's complete before proceeding to share it with respondents. At the top of your form, look for the Collect Responses button and click on it. This is your gateway to publishing the form. Clicking this will open the Collect Responses pane, which contains all the settings related to how you want to share your form. Here, you'll need to decide who can fill it out. Generally, you can choose between two options, allowing anyone with the link to respond or restricting responses to only people within your organization. Choose the setting that best fits your needs. Next, you have several sharing methods to consider. Let's start with the link option. Click on the link icon, followed by Copy to generate a shareable URL. With this URL, you can easily distribute your form by pasting it into chat messages, emails, websites, or shared documents. If you prefer a more visual approach, click on the QR code icon. This generates an image, which is especially handy if you're thinking of including the form in print materials or want to provide an easy-to-scan option at events. Looking to embed your form directly onto a web page? Simply click on the embed icon and copy the provided HTML code. This allows you to seamlessly display the form on your website, integrating it directly into your online presence. Lastly, if you're keen on sending invites via email, click the email icon. This will use your default email application to directly send the form to your recipients. This method makes it particularly straightforward to contact a specific list of people and invite them to respond. After deciding which sharing method suits you best, ensure that you paste the generated link, QR code, or embed code where your intended audience can access it. With these steps, your form is now officially published and ready to receive responses. Thanks for watching, and happy form sharing.